Greeting friends, welcome back again to the garden. It's a nice day, guys. I was working in the front garden and I was sitting down relaxing. I was sitting right there and then I was thinking about those hydrangeas. I said, oh my God, it is time for me to remove those, old flowers from them. Oh my God, those hydrangeas, if I find them again, I'll buy more. Those flowers been there for at least 2 months. I get them. They wasn't open yet, but I get them. They've been seeing and that flowers. And then today I decide to remove them. I remove them, as you see. I leave a few of them. And what I did with the rest of the flowers, guys, I just make a little arrangement right there. And I think that's really nice. Look at how cute is that. I came from this and then I worked to this. Oh, okay. That's what I'm going to do. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And let me go ahead and then to finish, do this side over there. When I'm done, I'm going to showing you guys the result. You see, there's no flowers right here like this one. And you can see more green leaves here and more green leaves here. And instead of all those old flowers, I'm going to remove them. I even have some of them in my speaker there. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but this is it. Thank you, friends, for watching. Have a blessed day. If you're not subscribing yet, guys, please help me reach to the 1,000 subscribers. YouTube require. I've been there for a good while. If I remember, that's my third channel. YouTube closed, and then me knowing who I am, I'm not a quitter. If something happened with one, and then I got one, and then something I got one. Of course, I already have backup. That's me, guys. I mean, I love flowers. I just like to showing you guys what I'm doing or the garden when I used to have a big garden, but now it's like I feel like I want to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.